If you're getting a GOG error 503, don't panic. This usually means the problem is on the server side, or something on your device is interfering with the connection. In this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix GOG error 503, including what to do if the servers are down, how to bypass the GOG Galaxy launcher, and how to check for antivirus, firewall, or VPN issues that may be blocking access. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast software fixes. Let's jump in. First, the simplest fix is to wait it out. A 503 error often means the service is temporarily unavailable, so the issue may not be on your end at all. If you're seeing repeated interruptions while updating, downloading, or signing in, give it a few hours and try again later. You can also check the GOG Forum discussions to see whether other users are reporting the same issue. If a lot of people are having the same problem, that's a strong sign the servers are busy or under maintenance, and the best move is to wait until GOG restores full service. Now, if you need to get your game right away, a good workaround is to bypass the GOG Galaxy launcher. Open your browser and log into your GOG account directly. Once you're signed in, go to your library and find the game you want to download. Instead of using the launcher, look for the standalone offline backup game installer. Download that installer directly to your PC. This method can help you avoid launcher-related issues and gives you a clean offline install file you can use without depending on Galaxy at that moment. Next, check your network and third-party security tools. Sometimes antivirus software, firewalls, or VPN can mistakenly block GOG's backend connections. If that happens, GOG may fail to load properly and throw a 503 error. Try temporarily disabling your VPN and testing the connection again. Then check your firewall and antivirus settings to see whether GOG Galaxy or GOG-related traffic is being blocked. If needed, whitelist the GOG application so your security software allows it through. After making those changes, restart the launcher or your browser and try again. If the problem still appears, it's worth testing on a different network as well. For example, you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or try another internet connection to see whether your current network is causing the issue. Sometimes a local DNS issue or router level filtering can create a false server error. A quick network change can help confirm whether the problem is with GOG or with your own connection. To recap, the fastest way to deal with GOG error 503 is to first wait and check whether the issue is server-side, then bypass GOG Galaxy by downloading the offline installer from your account, and finally make sure your antivirus, firewall, or VPN isn't interfering with the connection. These steps solve the most common causes without wasting time. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.